Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel this morning, and we are going to bake a Mediterranean bread. This is how I named the bread. This is a very warm Mediterranean spicy with olives and flax seeds. It's a bit different texture, it's a bit more wet than the pumpkin bread, and it works better in the toaster, make it a little bit crispy than it's just its own. But it's still very nice. If you love olives, this is for you. And let's get baking going. Our dry ingredients are almond flour, psyllium husk, Celtic sea salt, 3 eggs, I will get here very quick, flaxseed, I choose now a Greek salad spice mix, and olives, green and red, and let's get started. At this point, we're gonna add our wet ingredients, the 3.5 deciliter water with the 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now you add the wet ingredients and mix it up. Smells real good. It's real Italian, Greek type of filling you get. And now I slice up 1/2 cup of green olives. Now go with another 1/2 cup of red olives. Seeds. I didn't expect to have seeds in them. Now use your hands to mix this together. Just working the olives to the bread though. It's a bit too warm, but bearable. Alright, now we are ready to put this into the form. I am getting my usual bread loaf form, a baking paper. You place this inside, and then you get the dough. And just put it in there with the leftover olive. And just press it in and down as much as you can with your fingers. Very good. And at this point I will add a little bit more Greek salad spice mix, and I just hint the top with it. If you wanna use a pizza salad mix, a pizza spice mix, that also works very good in this recipe. Okay, good. This is ready to go to the oven. And now you are putting it in for 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 55 minutes. Time is up. Let's see our bread. This looks really good. Smells really good. I like the olive smell. Look, it's quite nice. We will let the bread to cool down a little bit, and yeah, we will slice it up and see how it is. I have to say, this is amazing. The consistency is very nice. You can see it smells so much being in Greece or Italy, or just basically bringing Greece home to you. I hope you loved this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. All the ingredients and anything I used in the description box below. And don't forget to check our website if you want me to coach you and be your keto coach. And see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.